So a lot of people have been asking me about my collection, about my avant-garde type of pieces, where I get it, you know. So I thought I'd do a video reviewing every single piece of high fashion that I have in my closet and my personal collection. So today, by the time of this video, we're gonna do the VUJA De Pleated lounge pants from the 004 collection. Shout out Ken. Retail for around, when I got them at the drop on the website, these were around $360 or something. Yeah, I think these were like $360 for just these pair of pants, right? And these are, I think it's made with French cotton. All the pieces, or most of them, if not stated otherwise in the video, that I show in this series, they will be listed on Grailed for sale. I'm trying to find them a rightful and nice new home. I've got my wear out of it. These are very hard to find because they're not in stock anymore. The 004 collection, once it's dropped off the face of the earth. After that, they're not going to release it anymore unless stated otherwise. This, this right here is kind of like a very curved cut. Like it accentuates your thighs, so I guess a lot of women will like this. It'll look nice, and it's a little bit flared at the bottom here. As you can see, the cut is very wide, right? And also has the detailing down the middle of the whole pants. The cut is very wide. I'll do like a try on or whatever, but this is kind of like here, it's very wide, and then in the middle it slims down a bit, and then it flares out again at the bottom here. So that's really cool, and keep in mind these pants are lint magnets, so they look dirty. So, it has the tag in the back here. This is a simple VUJA De 2019. And it has these pill drawstrings. These are really cool because you can really feel the quality that they put into this. Like on the pills here, and the material they use is like sort of an elastane type of very sturdy string material. It's not like your typical cotton drawstrings you get on your mom's favorite worn out sweatpants. No, these are cool. So yeah, so it has these bunch right here down the middle, and it goes all the way down to the leg, as I mentioned before. And it also has the same thing on the back as well. It also has these drawstrings here. Let me take off this. Hang on. It also has these elastic waistband right here, right? It's not your standard elastic waistband. It's a very shape retaining waistband. If you don't know what I mean, I'll show you. So here, as you can see, when we have it on the standard shape, it looks very, very close. But when you open it a bit, it just snaps back in. That's not me pushing it. It really just snaps back in place. Like, now you can see what I mean. So, it definitely accentuates your shape, whatever. If you don't have a shape, well, tough. But if you do have a shape, then it definitely makes you look like you're a 70s R&B singer, right? You can see the definite quality on these drawstrings here, right? And as I said, the bunch goes all the way down, as you can see from the back. And it definitely does not look like your standard sweatpants, as you can see. It looks very, not very casual. It looks very high end. It looks very high fashion. And there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed that showing of this very interesting piece that is very limited and very coveted in the streetwear and high fashion community. As I stated before, these pants will be up for sale on Grailed. So you can go, and I'll put the link down below so you can go check that out if you feel that you want to give these pants a great new home and adopt them.